Okay, good morning. Hey everybody and welcome back to Left 4 Dead 2. So natapos na natin ang Swamp Fever campaign and now nandiyan na tayo ngayon sa Hard Rain campaign. And now, without a further ado, let us now proceed to the gameplay. Okay, what's happening right now?
This, my friends, is a milk run. A cakewalk. A walk in the park. Walk in the sun. Piece of cake. All we gotta do is get some diesel and get back on the boat.
Don't jinx us, Nick.
Y'all ready?
Okay, so ibinaba tayo din ng driver ng boat para lang kumuha ng gas. Okay, sige. How hard could it be? Ano ba, double pistol na lang tayo? Ready?
Everybody ready?
Yes.
Ano ba din eh? Oh! Nakabang na agad siya sa atin, oh. Okay, okay. And look at that. May supplies na agad.
This is the best goddamn burger tank I've ever visited.
Out tonight.
First aid.
Ando sabi, you may want to save some items for the return trip. Okay, so babalik pa kami din ni mamaya. Ayaw nga, gawa dun kami binaba eh.
Taking the machine gun.
Machine gun tayo. Let's go.
Ready?
Oh, boomer bile. Okay. Ducatel diesel. Saan? Doon? Should we go there? We're going there, guys. Okay, may charger. Layo dyan. Ah! Masakit yun. Smoker, oh. Yun. Headshot to, headshot. Okay. Nasaan yun? Ay, yun. Ay, smoker. Akin na yun. Tara, let's go. What's that? Okay, may witch. Teka, kunin natin yung shotgun din eh. Okay, shotgun is the best for the witch. Okay, let's go. Oh! Hunter! Putik! Oh my goodness. Kala ko yung one shot ipatay na yung hunter. My mistake, tayo. Let's go. Where's the witch? Boomer. Ba, syempre, magaling tong sinik sa paggamit ng bang-bangs. Where's the witch? Let's kill the witch. Wait, ayun ba? Wala, ito yung witch. Headshot. Always gonna shoot them in the head with a shotgun. Let's go. Okay, parang nasa town ulit tayo. Peter. Yeah. Lumayo kayo dyan. Garage sale. Okay, magtingin tayo doon. Baka may mga supplies. Oh! Putik! Muntik na yun! Oh my goodness. Muntik na tayo dumabunggu, ah. I hope there's no zombie kids here.
Top of everything else, it's raining.
It's raining ba? Ayaw nga no, naulan. Baka bumagyo ito mamaya, ah. Let's check this house for supplies. What's that? Ah, zombie lang pala. Akala ko yung special eh.
Smokers around.
Ooh. Ah, akin na to. Wala naman na sigurong witch din eh, kaya mag-change weapon na tayo. Putik! Kakagitla eh. Peter pa naman. Lumayo kayo sa acid. Tayo nyo maubos. Ay wait, hindi pa natin na-check yung isang house eh. Aya, ito. Nung hindi pa tapos gawin. May something ba din eh? Okay, wala. Okay, wala din yung supplies, guys. Sana umalis din eh. There's a lot of zombies. Oh. Saan nanggagaling mga ito? Ayun, smoker! Abot ba? Ay, hindi. Lumayo na siya. Okay. Let's check these houses. Okay.
Pills here.
Okay, may pain pills na tayo. Patay. Ang creepy naman din sa place na to. Okay, may mga supplies tayo din eh. Saan ba punta natin? Ang dami naman din yung bahay. Oh. Alright, may mga weapons pa din eh guys. Kuha lang kayo. Ang dami pa. Deep fit unit. Okay, may hunter. Oh, ito! Dead. Speeder ah. Nakadura pa eh bago mamatay. Oh my goodness. Ang galing ng speeder ah. Hindi ni kaya.
Reloading.
We'll try to check each and every houses in this place. Oh, Wait, ang daming pills din eh. Ang daming pills din sa place na to ah. Especially zombies. Ano yun? Ah, okay. Sniper. Free. Okay, everything in here is free. Oh, magmamagnum tayo. Hunter, Hunter! Sa bubong! What's that? Oh, Jackie! Hunter at Jackie eh. Nice. Ay! Parang may nakita ko kanilang pipe bomb. Teka, try mo natin gamitin tong pipe bomb. Oh, yan. Tingnan natin kung gaano kami zombie din eh. Ang labo naman. Oh! Okay, it seems na madaming zombie doon. Where's the boomer bile? Akin na yan. Uy! Charger 2 ah! Oh, patay niyan. Akin na yan. Boomer, boomer. Ahoo! Ang dami. Mga pasugod sila. Peter! Nabail ba kita? Ang creepy sadya sa place na ito, oh, mahamog. Hello. Oh, ninja sword. Oh, hunter, hunter. Woo! Patay niya yan. Oh, may smoker. Akin na yun. Charger na naman, oh. Nasaan yun? Ay, ito. Oh, nakalabas, nakalabas. Doon ba tayo dapat pupunta? Ay, never mind. Ayun na pala ang safe house. Tara, let's go. Okay. Ay, sorry, nabail ba kita?
I'm sorry. Is that what you want me to say?
Tama. Boomer ah. Let's kill this before we end the game. Dead. Okay, tara na. Alis na tayo. End.
We're gonna make it.
Okay, natapos natin guys ang first part ng Hard Drain. And now, abangan na lamang ninyo ang susunod na part. So, thank you for watching again.